Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting immediate access to system battery data. Enable developer options now because it exposes diagnostic tools and disables noise from OEM skins. Once done, open Settings battery usage or device care to capture current charge, screen on time, and recent app drains. If you want deeper metrics, prepare your computer with ADB or note the dialer code for older phones. These steps let you move from vague battery woes to measurable values you can act on. Now gather precise numbers so you can judge health. If using ADB, run a DB shell dumpsies battery and dumpsies batterostats to get voltage, temperature, and health flags. These explain why a phone throttles or drains fast. Alternatively, install a Q battery and run 3 normal charge cycles to produce an estimated mAh and wear percentage versus design capacity. Make sure to record voltage in millivolts, temp in degrees Celsius, and the app's estimated capacity. These let you compare real versus expected battery performance. Finish by validating and choosing a fix. Compare the measured mAh to the original design capacity printed online or on the box. If it's above about 80%, you're fine. Below that, consider replacement. Run a controlled discharge test to confirm results, then repeat measurements to rule out anomalies. If values jump wildly, reboot the phone, reinstall a Q battery, or rerun dumpsies with ADB, and test on a second device if possible. This troubleshooting step catches software reporting errors versus real battery degradation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.